Welcome to another Microsoft Word tutorials. I am going to show you 4 ways you can create a blank page in Microsoft Word, and this particular option is needed whenever you want to key in a new information or copy and paste another information into your current Word document. So the essence of creating a blank page is the addition of new information. So let's quickly jump in and let me show you how to create blank pages in Microsoft Word using these 4 ways I am going to showcase to you. But before then, if you are new to this special software which is Microsoft Word and you want to learn all the basics or all the elements that can equip you to have a better usage of Microsoft Word, then I have a link in the description below. Check it out and learn everything and thank me later in the comment section. Now that we have this, I'm going to move to the beginning of this page by using Control and the Home key. So this is the page 1 of this Word document, and when you move to the status bar, I have it as page 1 of 3. And this particular status bar, I also have a full detailed tutorial on it, and that is also going to be linked in the description below. So the first option to insert a new blank page in Microsoft Word is to position your cursor. So presently I have the cursor blinking in this line of text. When I move to the Insert tab, we have the pages group and we have blank page, and when I click, this is going to create a blank page before the text that was having the blinking cursor. So I have a page which is a blank page on top of this particular page. So this is the first approach. You make sure that you place your cursor, then you move to Insert and choose blank page. Presently I have this cursor blinking at the end of this paragraph, so when I choose blank page, this is going to create a blank page, and that is going to move the text to a different page. So presently I have created 2 blank pages. Now another way to create a blank page is to place your pointer, as I said earlier, wherever you want to create the blank page. Then you use Ctrl plus Enter on the keyboard. This is going to move the text to a different page, and therefore you have your page created. Now if I select this area and click, I have my cursor blinking here, and this is the last page of this Word document. If I hold Ctrl plus Enter, this creates a new page. Ctrl plus Enter. So presently when you move to the status bar, we have page 9 of 9. That is the total pages that we have in this document. If I hold Ctrl plus Enter again, I have page 10 of 10. So this is the second approach to create a blank page in Microsoft Word. The next approach is to move to the menu bar and click on the View tab, and then in the view ribbon of this View tab we have the navigation pane, and when you click, this is going to activate this navigation pane for you, which you can also use Ctrl plus F on the keyboard. Then you have this navigation pane activated. If I select this particular page, which is page 9, and I press the Ctrl key and the Enter key, this creates another page. So now we have page 11 selected, that is page 11 of 11. If I select this, Ctrl Enter, I have page 12, page 13. So this is also another approach we can use to create blank pages in Microsoft Word. Now the last approach, which is the traditional approach, is to place your pointer where the text is located, then you use the Enter key, you press it once, and as you are doing so, this is going to create a page or a blank page for you in Microsoft Word. So these are the 4 ways you can use to create blank pages in Microsoft Word. Thank you and see you in the next tutorials.